Hello everyone. Today I'm taking this video just try to use our new material to decorate our hook stand. Our new material will be this wreath, but on this video I will just take the leaf. And this wreath, two type. One type wreath with ear. Another type only the leaf only. Okay, now let's get it started. Okay, first of all, we need to take the length we need because the stem is too much long. So we have to cut it off with any tool you have. The tips is because they are iron wire inside, so you can bend it several times and then cut with this tool. That will be not much difficult. This is the one I tried before. So we will cut them off. Take the length you want will be okay. Okay, I have all the material cut. So I got a lot of material in different lengths, like this reed and this short reed. And also I got the leaf, reed slip, and the reed. Okay, then I put them together and show you the effect. Okay, so after we get them together, we get a bunch of all the material like this. Does any possible to use it as the bouquet for some special scheme? It's very beautiful, actually. Okay, then I set up the hook stand. Wrap the light string around the hole and also set up the floral foam on the stand. Normally, I put the floral foam on the middle of the base, but this time I will put it a little slightly to the left side because we need to insert the wreath here. Okay, and then the detail about how to assemble the hook stand and set up the floral foam on the stand, you can check my old tutorial by click here. I don't repeat it on this video. Okay, then let's go on to put on the material and check the effect. Okay, first of all, I need to put a branch of the flower, the wreath on the mold. Since it's a little bit heavier than other smaller we need to tie it with tweed wire. And then add a smaller branch okay, so there will a different layer of the decoration like this. Okay, then let's decorate the mold. Since we need to cover all the mold, since I don't have the orange color on hand, so I will use this champagne color, whatever, just put it. I certainly found this file very useful. It can help to lock the material on the foam. Okay, then the leaf. Actually, recap. I plan to put 2 leaves on 2 sides of the hook. We can adjust the length of the stem. Okay, completed. Let's check the effect. I turn on the light. Okay, look. This is the effect after I put on all the material. And in fact, the effect in reality will be much more pretty than you check it from the screen. I don't know why the come out will be quite different. The color in reality will be a little bit deep, much more, a little bit more orange. Okay, let's check our material. The wheat, the leaf, and this is our autumn color rose, pink rose, and orange colors hydrangea, and also this spring orange color rose. And also I use some small this material to make it much more fairy. I just make one side of the decoration. If you decorate the other side, and if you have much more of the wheat, you can cut much more small branch and put on the floral foam to make it full. The come out will be perfect, but actually it's very beautiful, but I don't know why the effect check from the screen are so different. Okay, anyway, if I will take a photo to show you better effect, you can check it from my Facebook page. And also you can buy all the material used on our page, used on our video. Find the link on the information field, so you can inbox me via Facebook page. Okay, I turn off the light and let's check the effect from the darker environment. look. In fact, because our live stream is too much long, so I read it on the Floral phone. In fact, you can remove it. You don't have to need to use so long of the live stream. So the Floral phone part will not be light up. The come out will be much more pretty. But anyway, let's check the effect. It must be emphasized that the come out, the effect in reality will be very, very beautiful, much more pretty than what you watch from the screen. The come out when you're checking from the screen is not much good, but actually it's very, very beautiful. I love it. Okay, I turn on the light. And okay, let me do a little change. How about if I change this Wreath to the Wreath? I will show you the effect. Okay, completed by changing the Wreath. The color in reality will be much more deeper, much more orange. This idea will be much more suitable for the vintage skin. Okay, look, this is the effect. And for your information, the effect on reality will be much more pretty than you watch from the screen. Very beautiful. Okay, look, check it from the darker environment. This is the effect after I turn off the light. Okay, I turn on the light. Look, this is today's tutorial. Thank you for your watching. Bye bye.